Right, I'm just doing a quick food review. I'm in Subway in Spalding, and I've got the big Bombay. I've got it on the Italian herbs and cheese. I've had a foot long, and with a drink, with a bottle of Dr Pepper, it was like £9.98 or something like that. There's one half of it. Look, I'll show you what I've had. So Italian herbs and cheese. I've got lettuce, tomato, red onions. It's cheese and toasted, and I've had the habanero mango sauce. So let's see what it's like. I would say it's a little bit dry. The habanero mango sauce has got a kick, but I think you could have done with some garlic butter or something. You know, back in the day they used to have garlic butter. They used to put that on the bread, didn't they, and toast it. I think that would have made a difference. It's all right, but the bread's a bit, what's the word? Doughy as well. It's not the best Subway I've had. I'd give it 6 out of 10. So that's my quick review of the Big Bombay. I think it's £7.95 without a drink, a foot long. I say it's got chicken tikka in it. I've had lettuce, tomato, cheese and toasted, and then that habanero sauce. That's what I'm doing for now. Cheers, bye.